Creating a vector illustration of such a highly detailed and realistic portrait in CorelDRAW or any other vector software is quite challenging. The reason lies in the complexity of the artwork. It contains intricate skin textures, smooth gradients, detailed shadows, and highlights that are not easily replicated with simple vector shapes. Tools like the pen tool or freehand tool in CorelDRAW can be used to trace the outlines, but achieving the depth, realism, and natural shading seen in the image requires advanced techniques such as mesh fills, gradient blends, and multiple layers of transparent objects. Unlike raster images, which can display pixel-level details, vector graphics are built from mathematical shapes and paths, making it harder to capture such photorealistic effects. Therefore, while it is possible to create a vector version, it demands a high level of skill, patience, and a deep understanding of CorelDRAW's advanced tools. Today, we are going to try creating a detailed vector like this using Sora. Normally, converting such a realistic photo into a vector in CorelDRAW can be quite challenging, especially for beginners. But with the help of Sora, we can generate a clean and professional vector-style version of the image by simply using the right prompt. Once the design is created, we will import it into CorelDRAW for further editing and refinement, making the entire process much easier and more efficient. This method not only saves time, but also helps beginners achieve a high-quality result without struggling with complex manual tracing techniques. It's a perfect combination of our creativity and CorelDRAW's powerful tools to produce professional vector art.